Welcome to Ooodles. This video will give you an introduction to the Ooodles services, how to select and order a laptop, how to arrange a collection or a repair, how to check your invoices and payment history, and much more. Let's start with the dashboard. When you log in, you will start from here, where you have an overview of the key information. On the left-hand side, you can see the total number of devices managed by Ooodles, and on the bottom part, the number of devices currently deployed to employees and the number of devices in storage. In this demo account, we have 0 devices in transit and 0 devices under repair. On the top, you'll see how much your company paid last month. That could be the sum of your IT purchases, IT services, or your monthly subscription. You can also see the credit line assigned to your company. In this case, this demo company has £130,000 of credit line available with Ooodles, which can be used to purchase, to lease, or for any of the IT services we provide. This company has used £127,783 at the moment, with a further £2,217 available. On the right-hand side, you see how many devices are with employees, listed down by device type. Next, we'll look at the shop and learn how to select and order a laptop or any other IT device. When you go here, you can search by category: laptops, phones, tablets, desktops, or monitors. And you can filter by condition. We have brand new or refurbished devices. Filter by brand, model, series, screen size, chip, memory, and storage. In this example, we're going to select Apple, Mac, MacBook Air, and filter by selecting 13-inch models. Let's choose this model. When you're here, you can change the GPU, color, RAM, and other components. Here you can choose between the buy or lease options. If you decide to lease, you can select plans between 3 and 60 months. When you buy, it's one single payment added to the month-end invoice. You add to cart and proceed. In our case, we have filled the cart with 2 products, an Apple MacBook Air that we want to lease for 3 months, which you can still change the length of the contract here, and a Dell that we're going to purchase. When you proceed to the checkout, you'll be directed to the services page, where you can choose between standard, no service option, Ooodles Flex, our silver option, or Ooodles Plus, our gold package. Here you can compare the prices between Ooodles Flex and Ooodles Plus. Ooodles Flex gives you many services. This includes unlimited collections, unlimited storage, and unlimited data erasure and redeployment. Ooodles Plus is recommended if you need theft and accidental damage insurance on top. When you press continue, you go to the checkout and add the delivery address, which is most probably pre-populated here for your convenience. Devices can be delivered to an office, directly to a remote employee, or wherever you need in the country. On the bottom part, if you're using Apple Business Manager or Microsoft Intune Windows Autopilot, you can select the auto-enrollment option. Continue, and that's it. Let's go back and look at the device module. In this module, you can track all your devices per status. You can check if you have a lease subscription or if you have purchased them. You can assign device to an employee, and on the right-hand side, you can choose different tasks. You can arrange a collection from an employee to store it in our facilities, or arrange a delivery from the Ooodles warehouse to an employee, upgrade, cancel the lease, request a repair, and many other things. When you go into the Orders tab, you can track your company's order history. Under the Action field, you can see the tracking, the details, or update the PO number. When you go into the Invoices tab, you can track everything related to invoices and payments. Click here and you can download your monthly invoice. You can download the invoice by line rather than monthly. You can also check your credit notes, payments made, and any reimbursements. You can do your monthly reconciliation at any point of time without having to talk to anyone. And if you click on the wallet overview, you can check not only your invoices, but also your credit notes. You can do your monthly reconciliation at any point of time without having to talk to our team. Your admin team will love this function because they can reconcile invoices and payments at the click of a button. In the Settings tab, you can select your account if you are a super admin or a user. You can select which email address to send your notifications related to invoicing or other general alerts. You can reset the password, and in the Team tab, you can invite team members. You can invite them and give them access to all modules or only the dashboard. To the Invoice tab, you choose. In the auto-enroll device section, you can set your default preference of your Apple Business Manager account or your Microsoft Autopilot and Microsoft Intune MDM if you're using one. Welcome to Ooodles and enjoy our service.